This video will show you how you can quickly and easily delete all contacts on your iPhone at once. Be sure, friends, put your likes to this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and please write your comments after viewing. And let's you and I, friends, get started on this topic. And first of all, you will need on your iPhone to open the phone app at the bottom. Then go to the Contacts option. And now you will need to highlight all your contacts. To be able to do this, you will need to use 2 fingers. Namely, press 2 fingers on the first of the contacts and drag down, like this. So, you can highlight until you have highlighted all your contacts all the way to the bottom. Or you can start from the bottom up, as you prefer. And then click and hold on the highlighted gray contacts. Next, the only thing you need to do is to click on the Delete option and the number of contacts. Once you click Delete Contacts and confirm your action, you will see how in a few seconds all your contacts that you have will be deleted from your phone book. Dear friends, here is such a simple and quick method you can delete all your contacts on your iPhone at once. I really hope you found the video useful and that it helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes. See you soon, friends.